Hi, I'm Yves Massard, Product Marketing Director at HID Global. At HID Global, we power the trusted identity of people, places and things. We enable people to travel safely, work productively and transact securely. Every day millions of people use our technology to securely access places, whether they are digital or physical. And we also protect and track the identities of 200 billion things worldwide. Crescendo is a family of authenticators that provide a secure identity so that organization can then use that as a foundation to enable zero trust security. Crescendo comes in different form factors. The smart card access badge that's common also comes as a smart USB key and also as a mobile app. You can use that to access your physical facility, your office, and you can also use it to authenticate to your IT ecosystem, whether it's your desktop, your cloud application, and so on. You can also use it for additional capabilities like digital signature, where you can protect your email and your document. Crescendo is part of a complete solution where we can also optionally provide the lifecycle management of those authenticators, from provisioning, use of that credential, and then finally at the end of its lifecycle, the termination of that credential. Crescendo implements the FIDO2 open standard, and Windows and Azure Active Directory use that FIDO2 standard to interact with the card or the key. With the FIDO standard, you have that secure authentication, and that brings you that strong identity that you can then use to enable zero trust in your IT ecosystem. The user goes to the self-service portal in Azure AD to initialize the card or the key, and a few seconds later they are ready to authenticate to any Windows 10 that's Azure AD join and then access any Azure AD protected application. On the HID side, you need to purchase a device, whether it's the card or the key, and you can optionally also purchase a subscription per user per year for the management side. And then on the Microsoft side, you need to purchase Azure AD Premium or Microsoft 365.